Alright, so I had a young man come in and told me that I call this plum and turquoise. My friend Savannah at the local game store showed me one of these and I really like this color. Said that his PS4 controller is not charging. So, just get your handy dandy Phillips head here. And you're looking for a replacement board such as this. Comes with a ribbon cable. You can order those online for, I don't know, prices vary. So you're going to start off taking these 4 screws out. And I usually pop it loose there. I can usually grab it here. Essentially, there's clips here and here, and then there's clips holding it here. It's not the easiest thing to do. Maybe a plastic pry tool. This one's a little worn, but should do the trick. It's loose on the bottom. There's not really any super easy way to do this, so maybe I can do it. There you go. It's not always easy on the controller opening it. Some of those clips sometimes will catch a little damage. You just no worries, because the screws generally hold it together. This is a newer Gen 1, so it just slides right off. The older Gen 1, you would have to lift it up and over the triggers. And you want to separate your LED indicator cable first. So these batteries look pretty small, but it's raised up off the board. Gently but firmly separate your battery. You got 1 screw here holding in the motherboard. So I'm going to loosen that up. Actually, you know what? I'm going all into repairing the controller, but let's put that back together. That's if we were doing an analog replacement. So we're just going to put that back the way it was. Set that to the side. This is what we're working with here. Now it looks good. It looks good, but for various reasons it could not be charging. So you just lift straight up out of there. Take it apart like so. Carefully, this Phillips head's a little small. Cut. Alright, so we removed the old one. We got our replacement right here. You want to make sure that this ribbon cable is all the way in there. Some of the replacements had this guideline. All the way in there. Installation is same as removal. That's what they say in a lot of mechanic shops. Mechanic books. It's easier said than done most of the time. The installation same as removal. Well, it's not exactly that cut and dry when it comes to doing a radiator or a starter or alternator or something. Alright, it's firmly in there. We're going to reinstall our LED indicator, and we're going to put our light refractive shield over here. We're going to put our guard behind that. To lock it in place. Alright. And we're going to connect this to the controller. Some of these ribbon cables are different. This the old one, and it was a little bit longer. Some of them are bent in different directions. It's just work with it the best you can. These are fragile, so do not break them. The blue tab generally goes toward the inside of the controller. Like so. And we're just going to lay it on top of it. Before we put it all the way back together, we want to test and make sure that this is charging. So hold it ever so gingerly. Test that with our PS4 on site. Success! That's great. So I'm gonna go ahead and snap that together. Let that. Yeah. Is that our cable? Must be our cable doing that. But it's charging just fine. And then we will reinstall our screws. And for those tabs that may have gotten damaged, these screws will hold the controller together firmly. So for all you happy-go-lucky campers that like to spike your controller whenever you're losing at 2K, come see me. We'll take care of you. Controllers have been in high demand. Hit my home button, sync it to the system, and yeah, we're good to go. Another happy customer. Have a great day, stay safe.